Hello, everybody. My name is Dana L'Oreal Morales, and I'm the owner of the Happiness Bucket, where I educate you to organize your space, life, soul, and business. Today, we are in our space, life, and business buckets because we are talking all about requirements documents. Now, here's the deal. In project management, the requirements document is very important. A requirements document actually provides you with the framework of what your project is about. So regardless of what it is you're doing, regardless of if you are trying to declutter your space or organize your space, if you are remodeling your home, if you're planning an event, or if you're planning some sort of speaking engagement or replacing software in your business, the requirements document will help you with all of those things. So that is why it falls in all of the different buckets that we have. Now, in creating your requirements document, there are a couple of things you can do. One is that you can do a brainstorming exercise. Now, if you are a solopreneur or if you are an individual who lives by yourself, you can just basically do a brain dump. Just write out anything that you are thinking regarding that item or that task or that event. Okay. If you are a team of people, maybe you have your family is engaged in this project, or a group of people who is putting on this event. You want to make sure that everybody is involved in this brain dump session or brainstorming session. The reason you want to do this is because everybody comes to the particular thing with from a different mindset or from a different direction. So whereas using the family situation, your children may look at the use of the pantry one way or the use of the laundry room one way. You as mom may look at it a completely different way because maybe you're washing majority of the clothes. Your spouse may look at it completely different or use it completely differently. So you want to make sure that you have input from everybody on the team or everyone who is involved in using the space or using the tool, so that you have a clear understanding of what the needs are before you replace it, before you put on the event or anything like that. So once you get all of this information gathered, you're going to kind of split it up into different categories. You have your must-haves or your needs. These are the things that regardless of anything else, they have to be included. Okay. Then you have your wants or your like to haves. These are things that, yeah, if it has it, it's great. If it doesn't, it's okay. And then you have your absolutely not. These are things that you don't want the product to do, or you don't like. For example, you don't want it to be a manual process. It has to be an automated process. The system has to work automatically, pulling people in, or you want to make it so that the washing process in your home, everybody can participate and everybody can assist with that process. Again, I'm giving you various different scenarios, but the point is that you're going to have your absolutes, you're going to have your nice to haves, and you're going to have your absolutely nots. We cannot have this, or this is not included in this project or this process or this event. Okay. And so once you have this document created, this is going to be the place where everybody comes back to this requirements document to make sure that anything that you're planning, anything that you're thinking about actually meets those expectations. It helps provide the framework. So in the next video, I am going to talk to you about specific examples as it relates to life, space, and business. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have questions or comments, please post them down below. I love reading what you have to say, so definitely continue the conversation in the comments section. And if you like this video and would like to receive more or know when I post more, please make sure that you are subscribing to the channel so that you are notified. Now, until the next video, I hope you stay happy and stay organized. Bye.